ಇವತ್ತು ಅಪ್ಪು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ವಿಷ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಐತೆ ಅಪ್ಪು.
ವೈದ್ಯರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್
ಮರಿ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಶ್ವಾಟ್ಲಿ ವೈದ್ಯರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿನಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹಪಾಠಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೂ ವೈದ್ಯರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಓಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2017 1 ಜುಲೈಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ಸರಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವಾ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ GST ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ 1 ಜುಲೈಗೆ ನಾವು GST ಡೇ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು 1 ಜುಲೈ 2024 7 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು ಈ GST ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ. 7ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ GST ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ
short video on the journey of the GST.
1 जुलाई 2017 की मध्यरात्रि का वो ऐतिहासिक पल जब भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था में एक बड़े बदलाव ने दस्तक दी और पूरे देश ने आर्थिक एकीकरण के युग में कदम रखा। यही वो पल था जब माल और सेवा कर यानी जीएसटी का शुभारंभ हुआ। यही वो पल था जब वर्षों से अपेक्षित एक राष्ट्र एक कर एक बाजार का सपना साकार हुआ।
मेरे देश के छोटे छोटे व्यापारियों की मदद से, उनके खुलेपन से, नएपन को स्वीकार देकर उनके स्वभाव के कारण आज देश ने जीएसटी लागू कर दिया। व्यापारियों में नया विश्वास पैदा हुआ।
पिछले 7 वर्षों में इस नवीन कर व्यवस्था ने न केवल व्यापारियों के लिए कर अनुपालन को सरल बनाया है, बल्कि उनके व्यापार को सुगम बनाकर नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचने में भी मदद कर रहा है। अप्रैल 2024 माह में तो जीएसटी के अंतर्गत कर संग्रह ऐतिहासिक 2.10 लाख करोड़ रुपए तक पहुंच गया। आप सभी के जीएसटी योगदान से भारत सरकार को विकास कार्यों के लिए अधिक संसाधन उपलब्ध हो रहे हैं, जिसके परिणाम स्वरूप आज देश का गांव-गांव उन्नत हो रहा है। लगातार नए स्कूल खुल रहे हैं, लोगों को मुफ्त इलाज मिल रहा है, गरीबों को पक्के मकान मिल रहे हैं, पक्की सड़कें बन रही हैं, देश की आंतरिक एवं बाह्य सुरक्षा को मजबूती मिल रही है, विश्व स्तरीय कॉलेजेस एवं रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट्स का निर्माण हो रहा है, युवाओं के सपने साकार हो रहे हैं और एक समावेशी भारत का निर्माण हो रहा है। ये समग्र विकास का एक स्पष्ट उदाहरण है, जहां हर नागरिक को लाभ पहुंच रहा है। आज जीएसटी की मदद से देश का व्यापार सशक्त हो रहा है, जन जन का समग्र विकास हो रहा है, देश नित नई ऊंचाइयां छू रहा है, विश्व पटल पर हमारा सम्मान बढ़ रहा है। विकसित भारत 2047 का हम सबका सपना साकार हो रहा है।
A very good evening to all of you. I am Pallavi Bhatt and with me is Chetan Digdal, and we tender a warm welcome to all of you on the grand celebration of GST Day. Today, as we celebrate the 7th GST Day, we commemorate the transformative impact of goods and service tax in our economy and its role in simplifying our tax system. आज हम हमारे अर्थव्यवस्था पर वस्तु एवं सेवा कर के परिवर्तनकारी प्रभाव और हमारे कर प्रणाली को सरल बनाने में इसकी भूमिका का स्मरण करते हैं।
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಚೇತನ್ ಡಿಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಸಹ ನಿರೂಪಕಿ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಭಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜಿಎಸ್ಟಿ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಥಿಕತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವಾ ತೆರಿಗೆಯು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಹತ್ತರ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ತೆರಿಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸುಲಭಗೊಳಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸಲು ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಶೇಷ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We tender a warm welcome to each and everyone present over here. As we start the function, it's my pleasure to invite on stage all the dignitaries. I kindly request the chief guest of today's function, Shri Major General R.S. Guraiya sir, the presiding officer of today's function, Shri Dinesh Pangarkar sir, Principal Commissioner, the guest of honor, Shri Amarjit Singh sir, Commissioner, Central GST and Central Excise Appeals, and Shri Arokya Raj sir, Additional Director General, DGGI Belgavi Zonal Unit, to occupy the stage.
Krishna Saravati Kunga, Kaveri Yamaranga, Bharata Jananiya Kanujati, Jayame Karnataka Mate. Vipajyote Namostute, Vipajyote Namostute, Pampurutvam Kalyanam, Arogyam Dhanasampadam.
रत्नगर्भगणपतिं समाश्रयामि सततम् रत्नवचनगीयमान निजचरित्रवैभवम् शरणु ही गणपति शरणु जनकनी शरणु पार्वती तनयनि निनगे वंदनी शरणु शरणु ही गणपति शरणु जनकनी.
On behalf of the officers and staff of Central GST and Central Excise Commissionerate of Executive Audit and Appeals Belagavi and DGGI Belagavi Zonal Unit, I am delighted to welcome you all to this momentous occasion. We are gathered here at KLE Centenary Convention Center to commemorate and celebrate the significant achievements and milestones in the implementation of the Goods and Services Tax, a revolutionary tax reform that has transformed the economic landscape of our nation. Our greetings are also due to the doctors and chartered accountants as well, who are celebrating Doctors' Day and Chartered Accountants' Day today.
The amount that is coming over here is going into the development of the nation. So we are still having certain challenges, and time and again we are representing the same things before the authorities, before the government.
Happy GST Day. The revolutionary goods and service tax introduced by the government in 2017 has been the driver of the nation building and adding to our GDP. It has helped us to be competitive in market.
And we are entering into the 8th year of GST. During the past 7 years, GST has not only streamlined the tax system but also played an important role in promoting the economic growth and development. As tax enforcement officers, the role of DGGA is crucial in ensuring the effective implementation of GST. During the course of these enforcement actions, sometimes we deviate from our regular courses and we do some survey and we book some cases that maybe sometimes it may look like here the technical case, but later on it will become a very good enforcement case. The trades, they thought that it is exempted. They did not make any payment. Later on, DGGA Chennai and regions of this Madurai also, they started booking cases. Then one of the taxpayers, he approached High Court by filing the writ petition. So they got the order in favor of them. But later on, that assessee was falling under the Madurai Commissionerate. So the taxpayers was with him, with me. The introduction of GST has encouraged the growth of domestic manufacturing by providing a fair competition. In survey, an impressive 84% of the sample, the person, they responded positively to GST. So there is a notable improvement over the 72% responded positively in the last year, it is 2023. And under the heading, the industry perception to collect tax evasion, they requested the department to use data analytics to identify missing links in the supply chain. So on this 7th GST Day, as tax officers, we acknowledge as a family the collective efforts of all stakeholders, from tax officers and policy makers to business, the taxpayers and tax consultants. Your cooperation and support have made GST a success. In conclusion, let us celebrate the achievements of past 7 years and renew our commitment to the principles of transparency, fairness and accountability. Together we can build a stronger and more prosperous nation. Thanking you all and wishing all a very happy GST Day.
I now take honor in introducing the next guest of honor, Shri Amarjit Singh Sir, Commissioner Appeals. He is a Master in Technology, holding an MTech degree, and he holds a degree in Law as well, that is LLB. Sir joined the department in July 2001, and tomorrow he will be completing 23 years of service. It is my pleasure to call on stage the guest of honor, Shri Amarjit Singh Sir, to address the audience, please.
It is an honor to stand before you on this momentous occasion as we celebrate 7th GST Day. This day marks not only the anniversary of the implementation of one of the most significant tax reforms in our nation's history, but also a moment to reflect on the journey we have undertaken and the milestones we have achieved together. Since its inception, GST has been a pivotal force in unifying the nation's markets, simplifying the tax structure, and fostering a more transparent and efficient system. The unified tax regime has not only streamlined compliance, but also enhanced the ease of doing business in India. The positive impact of GST on our economy are evident in the increased formalization of the business sector and boost in tax revenues. And last but not the least, to the officers and staff of the GST department, your tireless efforts and dedication have been the backbone of this transformative reform. Your hard work and perseverance deserve highest accolades. The complexities of implementation of such a significant reform were numerous, but your dedication and commitment ensured a smooth transition. You have provided guidance, resolved challenges, and facilitated a seamless integration of GST across the country. As we celebrate this milestone, we also look ahead with optimism and determination. We are committed to further simplifying procedures, enhancing transparency, and leveraging technology to make GST compliance even more convenient for business sector across the country.
Now I would like to introduce you to the chief guest of today's function, Major General Raminder Singh Guraya. Vishisht Seva Medal was commissioned in 17th Madras Regiment, Cochin on 11th June 1988, and which he later on commanded. The General Officer did his schooling from Sainik School, Kapurthala, and is an alumni of National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, Pune. He has had a varied operational and administrative experience to include counter-insurgency operations both in Northeast and Jammu and Kashmir, high-altitude deserts, and along the northern borders with China. He has done all mandatory career courses, Viz Junior Command, Defence Service Staff College, Senior Command, and Higher Command courses. He has also been an instructor in NDA Khadakwasla, Pune, Army War College, Mau, and senior instructor at prestigious Defence Service Staff College, Wellington. He has been a brigade major of an infantry brigade, Colonel General Staff Operations of a Counter-Insurgency Force Headquarters, Director Defence Cooperation in Additional Directorate General of International Cooperations at Army Headquarters, New Delhi, and Brigadier Operational Logistics Headquarters, Central Command at Lucknow. With huge round of applause, please welcome on stage Major General R.S. Guraya.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, everyone who came here, we took out a slip. So I also thought of taking out my slip so that I can converse with you. I have noted down many points regarding GST. All have been covered by these two gentlemen. So then I thought, मैं आपसे क्या बात करूं? GST के बारे में तो आपसे बात नहीं कर सकता. Anyway, I'll speak to you today on something else. First of all, thank you very much for inviting me and my wife on the 7th GST Day. Armed Forces community extends heartiest felicitations to each and every one who is present here, who is involved in the goods and services tax, whether paying, collection, distribution, or whatever. We are proud of you. The country moves because of your dedicated efforts and dedication to this organization. This uniform carries the weight of 140 crore citizens of this great country. They have expectations, they have a lot of demands, but they may not be knowing what we are doing. But we do it silently. And most of us who are in this organization, government service, they are doing it silently. And most of us are not aware what they are doing. But I am 100% certain that they are doing with sincerity, dedication, and motivation to make sure that the country prospers. Therefore, as I carry the weight of the uniform with me, I'm sure each and every one who is sitting here carries the weight of the expectations of the citizens of this country. Whether it is the government agencies, it is the industry, it is the chartered accountants fraternity, or it is anybody else who is involved in this whole gamut of production, collection, distribution, again collection, again distribution. Everybody has a role to play. Way back in 2008, and that time I got that house for 36 lakh rupees. And the builder and myself, we went for registration, and the rep of the builder told me कि सर 1% कैश देना पड़ता है. I was in Srinagar. I had come down in the morning. That was the only day available with me, and I had to go back the next day. As you must have heard that I was Colonel General Staff in Counterinsurgency Operations somewhere in Kashmir. Anyway, मैंने कहा यार देखो मेरे को काम करवाना है जल्दी. Whichever is the norm, you get it done. इससे सब रजिस्ट्री कितने की करवानी है? मैंने कहा 36 लाख. 36 लाख की सर यहाँ तो 7 लाख का रेट है. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैंने तो 36 लाख की डील साइन करी है, 36 लाख की करो. I paid whatever tax was 7% or 8%, 3,66,000 rupees as tax. He must be thinking ये कैसा आदमी है, इसका 40-45,000 के अंदर काम चल जाता है. This chap has paid almost 3 lakhs plus rupees for registration. But I felt that I have done my duty. I have not cheated my government. I have not cheated myself. Only some of us do it. Not everyone does it. I think the call of the day is that we need to be more patriotic in doing our duty. That is more important. 99.9% who are sitting here must be having health insurance, must be having term insurance, must be having insurance for their vehicles, must be having insurance for their business, must be having insurance for their house. In spite of having insurance, you put a guard outside, you exercise yourself, you keep yourself physically fit, you do everything possible that you don't claim insurance. Well, if you have to insure yourself, I think there is no insurance which is bigger than the insurance of this nation. For the insurance of this country, I think we have to spend. And mind you, you can check the figures on the internet which are available. Our expenditure is minuscule as compared to our body friends on both sides. When you compare to the GDP. We all understand we are a developing country. Each and every sector needs to be progressed. Each and every sector needs to be looked after. Country, they don't have optional messes, so they invited us to a restaurant. We were 3 of us, there were 2 of them, so total 5. Table was of 4. Like it was a nuclear bomb which has fallen there. It took them 20 minutes to decide what to do. कि बंदे 5 हैं, टेबल 4 का है. If I ask this audience भी क्या करते? साइड वाले से उठा के कुर्सी यहाँ लगाते, इसको 4 का 5 करते और अपना डिनर ना भी करते तो रेस्टोरेंट वाले को बोलते हो खुद कर देता. This is our strength. You do it in fraction of a second and they take minutes, hours and days to understand what is improvisation, what is innovation. Don't demean this word, though it is now added to the dictionary jugaad. I feel it is the improvisation and innovation of the Indian mind. That whatever circumstances, whatever challenges, whether resources available or not, I will do this job and I will do it well. It is all the people who are sitting here, you got this kida in your mind and you are doing it. That is the strength of this nation. That is the strength of each and every one who is in this country. That we want to do it in spite of all the challenges which we have. Thank you very much. I am seeing parents also sitting here on behalf of my wife and each one of us in the Junior Leaders Wing Infantry School. I thank you very much for giving this honor to me to be amongst you on this wonderful day. On this day, each one of you deserve a standing ovation and applause who are doing such a great service to this nation. Jai Hind and Namaskar.
Hearing from you, the Major General from Defence Forces, that GST adds to the defence expenditures in some way and acts as an insurance for our country. We though are always proud of our Defence Forces. Thank you, sir, for making us also to feel proud of our duties, of our uniform. Thank you very much, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Warm greetings to all on occasion of 7th GST Day 2024. Hearty congratulations and happy GST Day to all of you. Today we celebrate a significant milestone marking the introduction and implementation of goods and services tax regime in India, a landmark reform that has transformed the landscape of the economy. The introduction of GST on 1st July 2017 was a historic step towards creating a unified national market, simplifying the indirect tax regime and fostering ease of doing business. Over these 7 years, GST has significantly contributed over the growth and formalization of economy, bringing more transparency, reducing cascading effects of taxes and enhancing compliance. The journey of GST, of course, has not been without its challenges. However, through resilience and adaptability of all stakeholders, many issues have been addressed, processes streamlined to make GST more taxpayer friendly. The representatives of trade and industry who spoke before me have raised some issues. So dear friends, we are aware of these issues and definitely we will take up these issues with the ministry and with due feedback from the ground level. Today we are felicitating 12 officers of Central GST Fraternity in Belagavi for their meritorious contribution in GST tax administration in the financial year 2023-24.
now invite Dr. Shrikant D. Sir, Deputy Commissioner, to convey the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. On this 7th GST Day, I am honored to extend heartfelt thanks to all who have made this event a grand success. A big thank you to the honest taxpayers whose compliance and integrity form the backbone of our tax system. We are also thankful to KLE Association for generously sparing the hall to conduct this function. Thank you all for your continued support. Let's work together for our nation's prosperity through a robust GST system. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, sir. As we come to the end of the function, I request everyone to please stand for the national anthem.
Thank you everyone for your presence and participation. We are delighted to inform you that the high tea is now being served. Please make your way to